Hey, welcome back. Most people wait until it's too late. Too late to move, too late to react, too late to defend themselves. If you don't start your Wing Chun now, you may never able to. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful reasons why you must train Wing Chun now. Not next year, not someday, now. Because, because Wing Chun is not just fighting. It's your structure, your breathing, your survival, and your longevity. My name is Austin Go. I'm 72 years. My name is Austin Go. I'm 72 years old and over 50 years of Wing Chun experience. I have been strong. I have seen strong men become weak and weak men become powerful just by understanding the right principles. Let me show you. As we grow older, our body is already slowing down. You see, everything is slow. Slow versus relaxed movement. If you don't train now, your body becomes stiff. If you don't train now, your body becomes stiff. Wing Chun teaches you to stay relaxed, fluid, and efficient. No strength needed, only structure. So the Wing Chun structure, just practice your Silim Tao, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, practice your structure and your Silim Tao every day, and you will start to feel stronger and more stable. Reason number 2, you lose reaction time. So, because as you grow older, things seem to be slowed down. You see? So you get the center line. So reaction is not age, it is training. Wing Chun sharpen your reflex and timing. So practice your front punches. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will help to sharpen your reactions. Reason number 3. Reason number 3, no structure, no power. A wrong Wing Chun punch. You see? Just punch using your muscles like most people try to do that, right? But if I have a structure, my Wing Chun structure, my EG Kimoma is strong. And we understand that the power doesn't come from your muscle. It comes from the ground through your leg. Power comes from the ground through your feet, leg, waist, up your spine, and up your hand into your fist. Power comes from the ground, legs, waist, spine, into your arm, and out to your fist. See? That's where the power comes from. If you don't learn this early, you will always become weak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm using my structure to punch. My whole body and my feet together at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I'm not using just my arms, see? No. Use my structure. So I can always maintain a strong, powerful punch all throughout my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reason number 4, panic without breathing control. You see, a lot of people breathing very shallow or fast breathing. But in Wing Chun, it's use calm breathing. When you panic, you freeze. So if you breathe calmly into your nose and breathe out 1, breathe in and breathe out 2, breathe in and breathe out 3, breathe in and breathe out 4, breathe in and breathe out 5. So into your nose and out your nose, nice and slow. Wing Chun breathing teaches you to stay calm, so you can still think and react under pressure. Reason number 5, you cannot learn this overnight. You cannot do the Silim Tao and stance overnight. Wing Chun is not fast learning. It's a deep understanding. the earlier you start, the stronger you will become. The earlier you start, the stronger your foundation becomes. So if you practice your Silim Tao every day, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and relax. So the earlier you start, the stronger your foundation becomes. Your body was designed for you. But if you start today, you take control of your movement, your power, and your future. Train Wing Chun before it's too late.